Hi guys, I'm Presley Henningsen, trial lawyer with RSH Legal and also a fellow motorcycle rider. I want to let you know about the risk of hit and runs on motorcycles. It happens more often than it does with just automobile to automobile collision. It may be as simple as they didn't see you or they ran you off the road without hitting you. Or it could be something a little worse than that. They may have left the scene. It doesn't mean that you don't have a claim though. You need to approach the claim just like you were in any other collision. Call 911, go get the treatment you need. Do not refuse ambulance ride if it's offered to you. It's just something the insurance company will try to use against you later. And you need to make sure you follow up on all your appropriate treatment. But when you have time, you need to write down some notes about how and why the collision occurred. Get some photographs of both the bike and the location. I like to tell folks, don't just get close-ups. Go ahead and take something back a little ways so we can see both what you would have seen and also what that other driver would have seen. If in fact you cannot locate the other driver, you may still have a claim. If you can locate the other driver, and we've done that many times, there are a lot of cameras out there, there are a lot of ways to find folks that were involved in collisions, so most time we do find them. But if we can't, you may still have a claim if you have appropriate insurance on your bike. Underinsurance or uninsurance. That is something that we can look at your contract and we can see what might be available to you there. Generally, what would be available to you are compensation for pain and suffering, loss of use, which means if your arm or leg doesn't work like it used to work, income, both what you lost right then and there at the time while you were healing up, and maybe possibly future income, meaning that you can't do your job anymore. These are all things that a motorcycle accident attorney can talk to you about. You may also have what's called medical payment coverage under your policy. What that simply means is that if you or someone was on your bike and they got injured and they had medical bills, regardless of whose fault it is, that med pay may be able to pay for some of your medical bills. We don't take any fees on MedPay, but we can help you get it if you're entitled to it. You may also have things like disability insurance at your work or other things that we can possibly help you with regarding recovering. Your health insurance should in fact pay for any medical bills that you have related to your crash, but sometimes we find that folks have some difficulty with that and we can help navigate through that system. If we do find the other driver who hit you, we can bring a claim there. If not, we may have to look to what your policy provides. If you've had the unfortunate experience of being injured or having a loved one injured in a motorcycle crash, call an experienced motorcycle crash attorney. Call RSH Legal, 1-800-433-0283.